Hi students, how are you? I hope so you all are fine. Okay, today we will learn the question number 13 of exercise 14C 7th edition D1. Okay, let's start. He said a closed steel cylindrical container has the diameter of 186 mm and its height is one third of its base radius. Okay, the diameter is given to us. We'll divide it by 2, so we get its radius, and height is one third of that radius. They want to know, find the total surface area of the container. Okay, we will find the total surface area of the cylindrical container, such that we have to give the answer in the centimeter squares. Okay, it means it was given to us in the millimeters, we have to convert into the centimeter, and then we will solve it and find the surface area. The lid of the containers are now removed. If the top of that container is removed, the exterior of the container including the base is painted indigo. Okay, we have to paint that container such that its top, the base will remove. It means we will find its surface area again, but this time its top, actually the base, or the two bases, the up and down, one of that upper base is neglected, not counted. So now when we will find the total surface area, it means we will find the amount of the paint. And the second thing is this: express the area of the container that is painted. Yeah, actually we have to find the total surface area of that is to be painted when we will remove the lid of the container. As the fraction of the total surface area, it means the painted above and the total surface area in the down, and we have to write it into the fractional form. Okay, let's move to its solution. Look at this, the container is given to us. He said the container's diameter is 186 mm. Okay, it means the diameter in centimeters, diameter is 186 mm, and when we talk about its radius, obviously it is d by 2, 186 by 2 mm, which is equal to 93 mm. Okay, as they demanded that we have to give the answer into the centimeters, for that we will divide it by 100, then it will be divided by 10, it will be converted into the centimeters. It means the radius of this container is 9.3 centimeter. Now let's move to its height. Height is one third of the radius. It means it becomes one third of 9.3 centimeter. Eventually we will find the height's value will become, when it is divided, so it becomes 3.1 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find the total surface area, which is given by the 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, so now we have to put the values accordingly. It becomes 2 pi r is 9.3 square plus 2 pi r is again 9.3, and height is 3.1. okay, when we will do so, it will become 72.98 pi, and when we will solve this portion, it will become 57.66 pi. When we will add these two things, it becomes 230.64 pi. So this is the total surface area of this container. Yeah, when we will put the value of the pi, then obviously it means we have to multiply by 3.14, and it will become 725 centimeter square. Okay, Now we have to find the area of the container that is to be painted. Container that is painted. Okay, as he told us that its base is painted but the upper ones is lid out, it means we will remove its lid containers. So we will never consider the 2 pi r square. 2 is for two bases, one base and two base. Pi r square is the circular area, so if only one circular area, so we will remove this 2. It becomes pi r square this time plus 2 pi r h. Okay, so left of the values will remain same. 2 comes, pi comes, r values and h value. Okay, when we will solve it, it becomes 86.49 pi plus, when we will solve this one, the whole thing becomes 57.66 pi. When we will add these two things, it becomes 144.15 pi. Okay, so this is the total surface area when it is laid out, its upper base. So now they want to know the fraction. We want to know the fraction that painted area is to the original area, original total surface area. When we will put the values accordingly, we will get the 144.15 pi over 230.64 pi. Pi will be cancelled by this, and when we will do so, simplify or cancel out it becomes 8 over 5. This is the fraction, the painted to the original surface area.